Hi guys, after uploading your video turns into garbage with 360p quality? If your answer is yes, it means that this video is for you and I will help you to solve this problem. Today I will give you 5 steps, following which you will improve the quality of your videos significantly. If this video will help you to do this, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So, let's go! First step, use 4K quality scene packs. It is so obvious, but many people don't know where to find these scenes. You can write me to my Discord and I will add you to servers with good quality scene packs. Sometimes I take a long time to answer because there are so many of you, but this time I will try to answer as soon as possible. All social networks compress video quality and you can't get rid of it, but if you will use 4K scenes, compression will be much less than at video in 1080p quality. Second step, use Topaz Video Enhance to improve quality of your edits. This program is really great and significantly improves the quality of your videos. If you sit in it a little and figure out the settings, you will get awesome video quality. Third step, resolution of your edits. Many people use the wrong resolution for their videos, stretching the video as I am doing now. Remember, you should never do this, but if your video is in a bad format and you need to stretch the video, use the detail preserving upscale. For details put 100 and then just scale your video. I use this resolution, but you can use whatever you want. Fourth step, run rendering process. If you want your video to be rendered in good quality, it must be in MP4 format, but as you know, the standard video format for After Effects is AVI, and to change it and convert it into MP4 format, you will need a Voukoder. I will leave a link to the official Voukoder website with installation instructions in the description. After installation and when your video is ready, go to File, Export, Add to Render. Then you click on Best Settings and just repeat my values and settings. Click OK, go to Lossless and in Format find Voukoder. Then click on Format Options and choose this setting. Apply, OK, OK and Render. Fifth step, it's compression. In order to reduce the compression of video quality by the social network itself, you compress it yourself and do it almost with no loss of quality. A program that is perfect for this task is HandBrake. Open this program, add your video, and for preset put Creator 1080p. If you don't have this preset, just find something with 1080p in the web title. Then go to video and for quality put 0, FPS must be 60, encoder level put 6.2, encoder profile high, and then go to audio settings and instead of bitrate choose quality and put 5. But if your video after compression weight bigger than 300 megabytes, you should compress again and put for constant quality from 5 to 2.5. You will do it because Instagram does not support video if it weighs more than 350 megabytes. For other social networks, your first video will be enough. I hope this tutorial helped you to improve quality of your video, and if this is so, don't forget to put like on this video and subscribe to my channel. I know that I made a similar video a couple of months ago, but in this video I decided to make everything more clear for beginners. So, thanks for your attention, see you soon guys.